Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. I'm back with a new recipe and today I'm going to show you a traditional South Indian style banana stem stir fry. In my previous recipe videos, I've shown you in detail how we clean the banana stem, how we prep it to prepare any dishes. So I'll link all the videos how we clean the banana stem in the description box below this video or in the iCard above this video. Now here my mother is helping me prep the banana stem, and she's chopping it into tiny pieces and placing it in a pot of water. We normally place it in a pot of water to avoid decoloration. And after that, we remove all the fibers and we'll place it in a pot of buttermilk. This helps the banana stem to soften and it helps it to cook easier. All this information is in my previous video. I'll link those videos in the description box below this video. Or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog I posted a detailed written recipe. Now here I have prepped up all the ingredients required for the recipe. The banana stem is prepped and reserved. We have already cooked chickpeas. So that is parboiled with some turmeric powder and that is also reserved. The chickpea should not be cooked all the way through. This is split chickpeas or the chana dal. It should not be cooked all the way through. It should have that bite in it. So all this prep steps is mentioned in my blog. Do visit my blog for detailed recipe. Now we have also cleaned, prepped and chopped and reserved onion, crushed and reserved garlic. We need curry leaves, dried red chilies, split black gram dal, cumin seeds and mustard seeds. And apart from that, we will also require asafetida. So no South Indian cooking is without asafetida. It is a must use. So the dal, I'll show you how much we have cooked. If we press the chana dal, it should press all the way through, but it should have a bite right in the middle. So that is the consistency we require. So you would have prepared dal cha and other recipes in the same manner. So that is the consistency we would require for this recipe as well. Now on medium to low flame, I've heated a wok and added oil. Once the oil has reached temperature, that is when I'll add mustard seeds, cumin seeds and black gram dal. We have to allow all the aromats to cook and splutter. This banana stem stir fry is a typical side dish which pairs along with rasam rice or curd rice. It is a wonderful dish. Especially during summer season, we will get abundance of banana stem and we prepare these sort of recipes. They say banana stem is very good for renal issues, that is kidney issues. I don't know how far that is true. That may be true because part of Ayurveda also helps us cure many diseases and our cuisine is basically a part of Ayurveda. So it depends on what we eat on a regular basis. Now here you can see I've added the chopped onions, crushed garlic and curry leaves along with dried red chilies. Also add the asafetida and fry all the ingredients till the onion turns transparent. Once the onion has started to turn transparent and light pink in color, we'll lower the flame and add the banana stem. You have to drain it from the buttermilk and add it to the onion. Now the banana stem will soften faster and it will cook easily because it has been soaking in that buttermilk. Now here you can see once I've added the banana stem, I'll add salt as per taste. We'll add water. We'll stir all of this and we'll allow the banana stem to cook for a minimum of 15 minutes on very low flame. Some people tend to use pressure cooker. That's up to them, but we prefer to prepare the banana stem this way. So here you can see once I've added all the ingredients, I've given the banana stem a good stir. You can see even that color, it is nice and bright once it is soaked in that buttermilk. At this point, we'll cover it and cook it. The banana stem, how it cooks is, it will have a crunch to it, but it will be cooked all the way through. A slight crunch should be there. That is when the banana stem is evenly cooked. Now you can see the banana stem is cooked. It's very nice. At this point, we'll check for salt, add salt if it's needed, and we'll add the cooked chickpea or the chana dal. And we need to stir and cook this on medium flame. We'll not cover it at this point. It's up to you. If you want to cover it and cook it further, you can. But constantly we have to keep opening the lid and keep stirring it and frying it. So I prefer it to cook it open itself at this point. We'll keep stirring it and we'll cook it further along with the split chickpeas till all the moisture is completely evaporated. So this is a very nice tiffin item on its own. You can eat it as it is. It's very nice and tasty. Just with some chai, it's very nice. Or if you want to serve it as a side dish, you can serve it with some rasam rice or sambar. It is very nice and very good. So try it out, friends. I'll post all the links to this banana stem, how we prep it, how we clean it, how we prepare it ahead of time. Now once the banana stem stir fry is ready, I've just garnished it with some coriander leaves. I'll remove it from flame and serve it right away. All the links to my blog and social media will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more recipes. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.